Claude N8N. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. Once inside, go to the top right and click Sign In. After entering the main page, go again to the top right and click Create Workflow. Then, click the plus icon in the center. The trigger menu will appear. Select On Chat Message. Enable Make Chat publicly available. Adjust the mode and authentication settings. You can also configure option settings here. Next, click the plus icon beside Messages. Search Claude and select Anthropic Chat Model. In the Credentials section, click Select New Credential. You'll need an API key. To get it, go to Google and search Claude AI API. Then find the Anthropic API page. At the top right, click Login or Sign Up. You can continue with Google or enter your email. Once logged in, go to the top left, click the menu icon, and find API keys. Click Create Key, set the workspace, and name your key. Copy the generated API key. Return to N8N, paste it in, and save. Now, choose your Claude model and add extra options like Enable Thinking.